Hi guys, this is Serena and today we are at Dev Fest Mumbai 2025 and this is a very interesting event क्योंकि यहाँ पे सब developers आते हैं and like जो भी industry में फ़िलहाल चल रहा है उसके बारे में there are going to be workshops, there are going to be talks and a lot of other activities as well. तो this is an invite only event जहाँ पे I got in surprisingly. So I'm very much excited and thrilled to be a part of this. I've come here alone. यहाँ पे मेरे कोई दोस्त नहीं है but ठीक है, like very much excited to see and like I'm vlogging this. This is very weird but fine. Like very much excited to see who do I meet and you know like I'm an extrovert person so like I don't mind meeting new people. Like I'm very much excited to be in a room full of strangers. So let's go in. I've reached Nesco. It's in hall 1. So yeah, let's go.
People, businesses, and science. It's this generation of developers that will crack open our most important problems.
Let's do one thing. Let's pull a Ali Mustafa this time on this. There is
Hello, I'm Candida Naruna and I am a software engineer at JP Morgan Chase. Okay, so if you were to code like a movie, what would you do? I think it would be Fast and Furious.
Application building or deploying application, you will come across scenarios where you might want to directly put something in S3, right? That is fine, right? But
If you continue, you can like you know earn from this.
right?
Just more, yeah. 2.4 में you just have to cross 4.
From there, I kind of went into the user. Now I want to trace down two other
It's public.
that I identified the launching.
Guys, I have Candida with me today.
There will be an
She's from JP Morgan, from my college only. Candida, how are you liking this event?
I'm doing
Look
great
at
and this event has got so much to learn from and so
Yes.
much to take on.
certain
Even she
events
has a YouTube
that
channel,
happen
guys.
over here. I'm just giving you an hint, right?
You can go subscribe. What's your
Certain
YouTube channel?
events
Name?
that are
Candida
happening over
Naruna.
here.
Candida
It's my
Naruna.
name, guys.
Guys, so we are done with our first workshop. How was it, the first workshop?
I think it was really exciting. We got to learn a lot what goes into cybersecurity and what goes into actual digging.
Yeah, it was a nice experience. Like I tried cloud and everything for the first time. Nice experience. Now we are here at the XR VR thing to experience virtual reality. Let's see how it goes. Guys, so we are done with the second workshop and abhi we are going to have some fun and we will be going to see some comedy maybe क्योंकि यहाँ पे there is like LinkedIn roast and all of that. So you just have to give your profile and then they will roast you on that. We'll see the roast and everything and let's have some fun. Guys, so now we are just roaming around. We are waiting for our XR VR thing. We are 36th now in the row, which is like crazy. Candida wants to go there so bad. She's
come here for that.
she's like she has made a list. She has made a list of the things where she wants to go, and then now उसके लिए we have to wait like 36th number है हमारा. So तब तक we are just seeing क्या क्या है यहाँ पे. Like there are a lot of sessions going on here and here, so we'll just see what's there.
So we have this modules, right? Network, secret store, compute platform.
Can continue saying, and I am the co-organizer of Mumbai Women Coders. There are a lot of people. Embarrassing.
This is not the way.
Teach effort. Okay, I'll see if I.
Guys, Candida had come here to make connections. People are making connections with her. They want referral in JP Morgan. Oh God. Finally, we have our AR XR VR experience now. Turn आ गया, super excited. Let's go. He's been waiting for this since morning. इतना excited है. Since yesterday. Oh my God. देखते देखते कैसा experience होगा. Let's see. guys, this is finally happening. Living the moment.
Find beatbox. Can find beatbox. She's vlogging and making money out of it. Okay, I'm not getting paid anything.
Demonetized talk.
Yeah, go please introduce yourself.
So hi everyone, I'm Serena Thomas. I'm in third year of my computer engineering from Father Animal background, and I'm quite active on LinkedIn. I'm also a content creator. Like I'm very much active on YouTube. Yeah, that's
And
all.
now in third year, how much pointers do you have?
My average is 9.5.
Okay. So why did you fall 12.2? Why do 0.2 points? You got interested in AI and ML. Okay, well let's. So I want to see comments on that. Like
I'm
okay,
just
go to
doing
the
3 hackathons. Come on, just 3.
3 years.
That too I started in third year.
And one of them you didn't have Wi-Fi.
Yeah,
Two-
like
that's
that
two
was the
hackathons.
worst experience ever.
That's a 2 hackathons.
Biggest experience.
So okay, cool. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
thank you. So we have this solo thing in DevFest, and the solo group has met finally. We have like 4 people. And can you introduce yourself?
Hi, this is Hiranmoy Paul. I am currently working in TCS, so it's a great opportunity to be here. So.
And this too, you know, you've seen her in my entire vlog.
Yeah, myself Veldu, and I'm working in TCG as a ops engineer. Yeah.
Nice. You are?
Yeah, Hussein here, corporate Mazur in TCS.
Corporate Mazdoor. We have all the corporate Mazdoors here, guys.
Search my name on Google, you can easily find it.
Guys, Candida is getting subscribers. I'm confused. I'm the content creator, or is she the content creator? Like over there also people are like shooting content for DevFest and everything. Like it's not that bad. जैसा मैंने सोचा था. Like I've gotten to interact with a lot of people and this is that group. So it's not that bad. Yeah, it's an experience. Living it. मज़ा आ रहा है. बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. And now so it's currently I think 4:15 or something. So mostly this event is done for the day. यहाँ पे मेरा LinkedIn roast हुआ था जिसका वीडियो मैं डाल दूँगी, देख लेना, बहुत मज़ा आएगा. Candida's roast is going on, guys.
I have a lot of friends who are named with Noronha. How do you pronounce it?
Norona. Noara. So we had this data set with a list of all the head and office.
This is in your college.
Guys, so I also met Samiksha and Raj. So I met her first यहाँ पे आके. I didn't know anyone. वो मेरे बाजू में बैठी थी. And then we saw Arsh Goel and we could not talk to him. He was just 2 steps away from us. बात ही नहीं कर पा रहे थे हम लोग. And we were like क्या बोले तब तक वो चला गया. उनसे फोटो भी नहीं ले पाए, कुछ भी नहीं ले पाए. But तभी I met her and then बात किया. So she's from SNDT. And how was your experience at DevFest? Just be honest.
Yeah, definitely. Like it's my first time, so like okay, like I'm okay with it.
Okay with it.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Raj, how was your experience?
It's first time amazing experience.
Nice experience. Okay, great. It was nice. Great. Nice meeting
I
you.
like the networking part, but the workshop and another like sessions, like I was accepting like how the things will go, like it was not fulfilled.
Okay.
So like it was okay, like
Yeah, like the schedule was थोड़ा सा
Yeah,
ऊपर नीचे हो गया था पूरा. So we are done with the DevFest for today, and yes, it's a #DevFest Mumbai 2025 done day, and yeah, I'm leaving for home. हो गया मेरा DevFest का. It's 5 o'clock-ish, and yes, it was a very nice experience. मज़ा आया जो भी था. Got to learn, got to meet a lot of new people, and yes, definitely I will come next year also. And yeah, like at first I did think कि मतलब meeting strangers, being in a room full of strangers would be like not at all exciting, and like I would not at all enjoy it. But trust me, it was the opposite. I met a lot of people. I got to interact with a lot of people, and yes, I am an extrovert. इससे मेरे को पता चल गया ये चीज़. तो yeah, you have to like put yourself in situations where you just like, you know, have to like kind of adapt yourself. You know, also as I was shooting, one person, like this girl, she just come up to me and she's like, I actually thought I'll record with her. I said like, do you want me to record? She's like, no, I cannot record. I'm like, okay, fine. And then she said ki matlab she's very aisa, like she got inspired from the way I was. Like she liked my confidence, and then she's like, I love the way you are, like the way you're confident so much and all of that. And like I just loved it. And wo cheese, like when a random stranger just watches your own roast, your LinkedIn roast, and then that person comes up to you and says ki matlab I like your confidence, that just hits different. And this is like such a good thing that happened with me today. And मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है यार. मतलब it just inspired me to like, you know, do so much more in life rather than just overthinking stuff. Like I was not also like posting any single thing. So yeah, like I think you should not think so much and keep on posting. So yeah, that was it for today's vlog. See you in my next vlog. Till then, keep on watching. Bye bye, take care.